What's going on, guys? In this video of Should I Invest, we're going to be talking about Tesla, another video to see if it's something you guys should invest in the long term. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. But before I do so, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel. 80% of you watching are not subscribers. Like the video and comment down below what video you want me to do next. All right, let's go ahead and jump right in. As you guys can see, I have my handy dandy MarketSmith tool right here that allows me to find all the good information regarding the stock's financials, the fund ownership, EPS, everything I need to know to make an informed decision. And I have my handy dandy Excel sheet that tells me whether or not it's a pass or fail. And of course, we have Yahoo Finance to give us a little bit of those financial data that we need to make that decision. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, we have Tesla. So let's go ahead and plug in Tesla here. You can see it gives us a few of the numbers, but we do need to come up with return on equity. To do that, we're going to go ahead to MarketSmith. Right here, we're going to look at return on equity, and bam, it's 38%. So we're going to plug that in right here. All right, so right off the bat, 2 out of the 3 is a positive checklist here for the Excel sheet. Let's go ahead and look at total debt to total asset. Do that, we're going to go ahead and pop up Yahoo Finance. Okay, we're going to go to, first we're looking for total debt, so we're going to come down here and look at total liabilities. Boom, that's that number right there. We're going to plug it in, and then we're looking at total assets. We're going to come here and take that, boom, plug that in, and 2.26. So our assets can cover our debts at least 2.26 times. Next, we're going to look at current debt and current liabilities. So we're going to come here and look at current debt. All right, we're going to put that right here, and then we're going to look at current assets. So current asset is 40, so we're going to plug that in as well. And you can see right away our current assets can pay off our current debts at least 1.5 times, and anything current is anything that needs to be paid off in the next 12 months. Right? Now we want to look at operating income. To do that, we're going to go to income statements, and we want to look at operating income. Okay, so operating income right here is 10.6 or 10.7, and then total revenue is right up here, 95.9. Right? Let's plug that in. Boom. So we get a number of 11. In fact, I think the last time we did this on Tesla, you could see it was actually 17, which was a positive number. But this time, looks like the income statement is a little bit on the lower side. Still a positive number, but we want to see it north of 15. But that's okay. Let's look at cash flow. Is it increasing or decreasing? We're going to go here. We're going to look at cash flow. So from 2020 to 2022, it looks like it's increasing to 73475, with the exception of the trailing 12 months. This is the only year that it's actually dropped a little bit. So overall, it is increasing. So we're going to plug that in right there. And then management owned. How much does management own? We're going to find that here on MarketSmith. And you can see a whopping 21%. All right. So if we scroll up here, you can see the average is usually about 1 or 2%, 7%. Very few companies own north of 10%. Obviously, management on Tesla believes in the company, so they have 21. Now, are the fund ownerships increasing or decreasing? To do that, we're going to use MarketSmith right here and take a look at the numbers. All right, so from December 2022 to March 2023, it's gone up. March 23 to June 23, it's gone up. June 23 to September 23, it's gone up. So overall, it does look like fund ownership is increasing. Bam. So we get a pass here on Tesla on the Excel sheet. Okay, now let's take a look at some of the technicals and see if that's, where do we want to start investing in this? All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So right off the bat, by just looking at the chart, we can see right here, it's good support that is around 180, 200. So since back in, 2021, this level has been a solid support around 180, 200, so possibly starting a position there. Average dollar costing average, of course, for your long terms. Next, there's a good area of support right here that was bought up around that 100 psychological number. So that could be another area that you could add at. And of course, last, which I don't think we're going to get anytime in the near future with the way the Excel sheet just performed, 26 number that you could look at. in between maybe 60, right? So these are 4 spots you could look to add in. Maybe start with 1/4, 1/5 position size and dollar cost average on this for your long term if you find value in this. Okay. Again, thank you guys all for watching. If you guys did find value in this, please go ahead, comment down below what video you want me to do next. And if you already stuck around till now, subscribe and let me know how you guys find these videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.